Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope you're having a wonderful day and welcome to all my new and returning subscribers too. And on my friends, can you believe Easter is a few days away? OMG, I can't believe it. And Easter is one of my favorite holidays. Well, today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a key lime tart. It's going to be so simple and easy to make. It's going to be bursting with key lime goodness, and everybody will go crazy over this recipe. All right, you ready? Let's go bake some key lime tart magic in my southern kitchen. All right, in my large bowl, I have 3 jumbo eggs at room temperature, and we're going to add in 1½ cups of white sugar, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of lime zest, 1 cup of freshly squeezed key lime juice, and 1 teaspoon of lime extract. And we're going to whisk all this together until it's nice and well combined. Ooh, it smells so good. I can smell the key lime juice and the lime zest and lime extract. Alright my friends, I have baked my crust, and this is my homemade pie crust. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. Bake my crust at 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's light golden brown. So now we're going to pour our key lime filling into the tart shell. Alright my friends, I got my filling into my tart shell. I put some foil all around so that way our crust won't get burned too quick. So now we're ready to put this baby in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350 degree oven. My friends, look at my beautiful key lime tart. Ain't nothing like the smell of citrus. It smells amazing up in this kitchen. And also you can use lemon or orange. And look at all the lime zest on it. Lord have mercy, that looks amazing. Alright my friends, there you have it. Key lime tart. And I decorated with some whipped cream and the lime wedge in the middle. My mouth's watering. Alright, I'm going to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, here we go. Ooh-wee. This key lime tart is the bomb.com. Well, I want to thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Let's eat and happy Easter!